Hey guys, let's talk about raising your prices. Do you just do this for the creative, fun, or do you do it for the money? I know so many hairdressers, it's just 20s guys, so many hairdressers say, I just do this to have fun, to help change people's lives. I'm not really in it for the money. This isn't for you. Just stop watching now. I've been known as the Profitable Stylist. I enjoy making money in this business. And so let's talk a little bit about numbers, how you can raise your income so simply. I mean, I am not a numbers guy, so I just wrote a few simple things up here. I don't care how much you charge now, but look at this. If you work 40 hours a week, right? And you just do haircuts. Let's just talk about cuts for a minute and say you do 30-minute haircuts. So, you could potentially do 80 haircuts if you're doing 2 per hour, 80 haircuts in a week. You're going to work 50 weeks a year, take 2 off, right? There's 52 weeks in a year. So we're taking 2 off. That equals 4,000 haircuts. If you just went up $1 on your haircuts, if you were booked enough and you warranted a raise or an increase in price, $1 on each haircut would be a $4,000 pay raise at the end of the year. I bet you could go up $2 or $3 or $4. But every dollar is $4,000 more dollars if you focus on haircuts. So that could be $8,000 or $12,000 more dollars at the end of the year. Let's talk about color. I mean, this applies to everything, obviously, but we're going to go backwards here. 40 hours a week we're working on average. I know some of you guys are working 60 and 70 hours a week, but if you do 2 hours per client, kind of going backwards, instead of 2 clients per hour, we're doing 2 hours per client, which would only be 20 clients in a week. It's a more expensive service. We won't even talk about what we charge or what you charge. Again, 50 weeks, go ahead and take those 2 off or more if you like. But if you did 50 weeks at 20 clients a week, that would be 1,000 clients in a year. And so if you took those 1,000 clients and increased each color service by $5, that's $5,000 more at the end of the year. You could probably raise it 10, 15, or 20. So I mean, just say you added 20 bucks to your color prices right now. I know that's a lot, but let's just say you did, because some of you guys are in the $150, $250 range, and you added $20. That's quadruple, right? 5 to 20 is 4 times. That means you'd be quadrupling this. That's $20,000 more per year you'd make. This is just some quick math just to show if you were to raise your prices by $1 or $5 in any service you do now, and you were booked completely. Most of you hairdressers haven't raised your prices in so long that I'm just here to encourage you. You can make more money if you just raise a few dollars. Do it today.